How to add text to a cell in Excel using formula. Here are the steps on how to add text to a cell in Excel using a formula. 1. Open the Excel spreadsheet that contains the cell where you want to add the text. 2. Select the cell where you want to add the text. 3. In the formula bar, type the following formula, equals concatenate, text you want to add cell reference. For example, if you want to add the text hello to cell A1, you would type the following formula in the formula bar, equals concatenate, hello A1, 4. Press enter. The text will be added to the cell. You can also use the AND, ampersand, operator to add text to a cell. The AND operator concatenates, or joins, two or more strings of text together. For example, if you want to add the text hello to cell A1, you could type the following formula in the formula bar, equals A1 and hello. The result would be the same as using the concatenate function. I hope this helps.